Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the on-screen keyboard on HP Victus 16. In order to use the on-screen keyboard, there are two ways of doing that. The one is legacy, and it's better for when not having a touch screen, and the second one is better for a touch screen. So this laptop doesn't have a touch screen, but if you have an external touch screen, the second way may be more useful. That's why I'm gonna show you both of these ways. So let's go to settings and accessibility first, then go to keyboard, and here you'll see the on-screen keyboard. Of course, you can turn it on without going to settings by clicking on the Windows, Control and O on your keyboard. Though, if you don't have a keyboard that's working at all, you may prefer to go to settings. So you can just find the on-screen keyboard right here. You can turn it on or off. Once it's turned on, I would personally pin it to taskbar so I don't lose it. In case I close it, I can reopen it. You can resize it, of course. You can also minimize it, reopen it, so that's pretty great. You can also open options, and in the options you can turn on, for example, the numeric pad. And what I mean by being legacy is that it has the actual keys like this options button or the FN key, some other things like the home, page up, page down, pause, or print screen, or the numpad that you can enable or disable with the numlock as well. So this is sort of a legacy thing. And if you want to use a touch screen with a keyboard, I would prefer the second option, which is going to taskbar settings, enabling touch keyboard to, for example, always. Then you'll see this touch keyboard icon on the taskbar. You can click on it. It'll open this keyboard, and it's better for touch screens, I guess. And you can also click here to change the keyboard layout to small, which is undocked, and you can move it around, or split, which is great for typing with thumbs, or of course the traditional, which still doesn't have as much keys as the on-screen keyboard, the legacy one has, but it has a bit more than the default layout here. And that's everything that you can do in here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.